There it goes. So now I gotta get those
And
out.
minimal to no damage with it put back in properly.
Yeah,
we'll
with
be
the
good to
right
go.
screws, it'll be fine.
Now,
Performing surgery to get those out. Scotty, the freelance automotive gynecologist.
got a hole needs to be filled? Give me a call.
Oh boy. Alright. Scotty, carrying on. Carry on my... You know how that song goes.
Yeah, we have finally separated
Hey, there's the rear lights harness.
the rear harness.
So that is the rear harness. You're set.
So we're good with that.
Bitchin'.
Here's the antenna.
Bitchin'.
We got all the pop rivets out, all the shanks, all the everything that's good to go. We need to talk to the owner on this car. Bad. None of this stuff has been cut properly, glued properly, nothing. I mean, it's going to take a little bit to make it look right again. There's a lot of broken stuff in it that just...
So we may want some carpet for sure.
Well, I think the carpet's salvageable. I really do.
Okay.
But we need to get it formed properly. Route the wiring harness properly. So that when we do the gluing, it stays in place like it's supposed to.
Yes.
But
So
the only reason why I haven't hacked the snot out of the inside is I know the second I do, that's the wire that's going to be needed. So I'm just kind of taking my time. I'm going to feed through. I can hack this at the rear bulkhead, so it's not a problem.
yes.
And then start feeding this through. Get the rear panel, well, get this rear panel off first, start feeding it through. And then it's just pull the rest of that out.
And that should come right off.
Yeah, I mean,
look at the... Oh, man. Look at the vampire clips in there. You see that? I just zoomed in on it.
Oh, yeah, they're
That is
disgusting.
horrible.
Yeah.
That's more than I thought.
And
Great.
look here.
Oh. Oh, yeah, that's all lovely and not good. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of shit. It's
Everywhere
disgusting.
you look, but these connectors are going to be the most important.
Yeah, holding onto those is going to be good.
Oh, without a doubt. But I still got to pull the wiring harness for the radiator, or for the driver's side door, drape that over, because that'll be easier. Get everything set, just pull it right through.
Yeah, and then get all this shit out quick.
Yeah,
Get that
exactly.
out. Get all this done first, and then let's get back here. I'm finishing up here.
Yeah, because you got what? Just well, let's show everybody.
Yeah, I have all the vacuum, you know, the bellows, so to speak. They're loose, they're out, they're both unbolted. I just need to take and thread them out of the little Heim joint dealy, pull those out, and then the little vacuum switchies right here. Gotta undo those, pop those out, then all the vacuum shit's gone. Start nice, fresh and so clean.
Wasn't that Casey in the... No. Who was that that did that song?
That was in the late 80s, early 90s.
God, I'm showing my
So
age.
fresh and so clean.
Yep, that's the one I'm
that's
thinking
it.
of.
Anyway, see, music references. Can't think of the artist. Put the artist in the comments for bonus points. Anyway, coming along. So Scotty's gonna pull that out. I'm gonna get this out. Then we're gonna start with our headlight wiring because that's quick, easy,
Yeah, that's going to
fairly
be the easiest
painless.
route to go.
Start there, and then engine bay, and then
And then rear to front.
and then everything in the middle.
Yep.
And then before we hook everything up, we need to anything we need to
Tighten
tap into.
suspension system.
Yep.
Double check suspension system, tie rods, ball joints, all of that to make sure that it's good.
Yes.
Check the
Cooling
back.
and then additional stuff such as the electrical for
Right.
here, the electrical to control the AC.
Oh, that's right. I got to
Whatever
finish
gets
putting the AC
added
in as well. But I'm going to do.
in.
We'll do the wiring first.
Do this part of the wiring anyway.
Yeah, and then do the AC.
Oh, the wiper you were talking about.
Oh, yes, let me show
that.
everybody.
Yes. We had a discussion earlier.
Now, for those of you that know the C3, when you pull this, ding, it's supposed to snap back, real kind of quickly. Well, here's why this one doesn't snap back. It's broken right off the piece. This isn't hooked up. This is broken in here. It needs a whole new wiper arm.
Passenger side wiper arm.
Complete.
All right.
But the linkage is still there and appears to be proper.
Yeah, and we have a new wiper motor as well to put in.
Yeah, these are really easy. I actually like this particular setup.
Yeah, it's very simple, very straightforward. All right, so get this shit out of there, and I'll get this shit out up here, and then we have a conversation. Oh, there's the 13 I needed.
Nope, never saw it.
Lies. All right, so back at it.